I want to talk to you a little bit about tires. When you're buying a used car, one of the things you want to check at is definitely check the tires. A lot of dealers will take it and they'll clean the tires and they'll make them really shiny. They look really good, so you kind of overlook them. One of the things you want to look at when you're doing tires is, if you look right here, this is called a wear indicator. Inside the tread on every tire made, they have wear indicators. If your tire is down to that wear indicator, it needs to be replaced. If your tire's got cracks ate up all through the tire, it needs to be replaced. But those are called wear indicators. And this here is a pretty good looking tire. You still have life above that wear indicator. I'm gonna show you one that's bad. If you come over here to the tire right here, all right, and you look right here, that's a wear indicator. See, it's way down here in the tread here. But if you come across, it's hitting here, and on the back side of the tire, it's hitting here. This tire is definitely no good. But that's how you, quick way to tell when you're looking at used cars is, like I say, look at the wear indicators. Check your tires out thoroughly, make sure there's nothing, cracks or frays or bands coming through or anything like that. If you like what you see, subscribe to my channel for more tips on buying used cars.